Here's some fun facts from the Sunset Auto family. There's approximately 300,000 new and used automobiles sold in Washington State every year. Oh, that's a big number. And most of the time, a trade is involved. And that's what this commercial is all about. You see, if you're thinking about getting a new or new-to-you vehicle and you have a trade-in, why not get a complimentary professional appraisal at any Sunset Auto family dealership in Sumner or Auburn before you start shopping? Then you'll know what your vehicle's really worth. How can you be sure? Well, in most cases, Sunset will make an offer to buy your vehicle outright, even if you're planning to get your next vehicle somewhere else. They'll just write you a check, and you can spend your money wherever your little heart desires. That way, you'll know exactly what your trade's worth before those other dealers even see it. It's a big advantage. And just one more reason people say you just get more at Sunset, like a fair offer to buy your vehicle for cash, no matter where you're shopping. And people do like that.